how to make money on people per hour as a virtual assistant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, PeoplePerHour is a platform where you can sell your own skills or where you can list your skill for it to be bought from individuals or business owners. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of categories in here. So for example, let's check one of these categories just to show you an example of how you're going to look when you list your skill in here. So for this one, he listed his logos, since he's a logo designer, and he sells his skill in here. And we have a lot of them in here. We have this one by Stila Graphic House, Creative, Prativa S, Dream S Technologies, Norman K. So all of those are just like you, freelancers trying to sell their own skills to make a living from that. So let's go back to show you how you can create your own account in here in order to make money. So go to freelancer button in your top right and then click on it. And here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password as well. And then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop a file here or browse to add. So here, enter your profile picture. Make sure to drop a very decent profile of your face. And then you proceed to add in your job title. So for example, an award-winning web developer. Or we can just enter a virtual assistant. And here you can enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So here, let's start with a virtual assistant. And let's enter virtual to see if you can find another skill. So I think that's all we have in here, which is related to virtual. So here you proceed to add in your description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So in order to enter a good description for yourself, just go here to these categories and search for one that is where you have a virtual assistant to check their bios. So where we can find a virtual assistant, branding, events, loyalty, technology and programming, writing and translation. Let's see if we can find a virtual assistant in here. Digital marketing, AdSense, viral, video, business. And here we have music, vocal tuning, voice, marketing and branding and sales, social media. Let's open another tab, and let's search for a virtual assistant in here. Click on search for freelancers, and here let's enter virtual assistant, and let's see if we can find one. So here we have the top virtual assistant offers. So those are the offers, so we're not interested in offers. And this is how you can find jobs in the platform. You can see all of these offers. As you can see, virtual assistant, personal assistant for 1 hour, be your virtual assistant for 3 hours. So here, this is the offers that the freelancers are offering, and those are the freelancers, as you can see, which is a virtual assistant, PA, business support, project manager. So let's check the description of this virtual assistant just to get some inspiration of how we can create a description for our profile. So here, let's read her description. And from the get-go, you would notice that this is a very long description. It will take a lot of time, so we're not doing anything like that. So let's go back to see if we can find a well-organized and brief description. Let's check Allison's description, for example. Here, click on read more. And also, this is a very long description. No one has time to read something like that. Let's check Deepika's description, and this is a very good description. As you can see, a brief description and well organized, 2 paragraphs, and that's all. I look at myself as self-motivated woman who looks at things in their simplified form. I know the importance and value of time, speech, and money, and I'm a virtual assistant since 7 years and now currently working from home. I am a dedicated professional with a strong sense of work ethics. And that's all what you need for description, and that's a very inspiring description. So guys, make sure to write something like that. After that, you enter your location and your spoken languages. So here, let's choose English, and then you choose your hourly rate, and from my advice, change the currency to the United States dollar, then submit your application. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.